So what we're going to do now is we're going to slip stitch into the top stitch, but only in the back loop. Chain 1 and half double in that same loop. And place your marker. This is how I do it. And that will mark the first stitch. Okay, in every stitch around, you will do a half double in the back loop only of this. Helps if you do it right. A half double in each of the stitches around in the back loop only on this row. And I will see you at the end of the row. Okay, we're at the end of the row. There's 30 half doubles. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I ask you please to like, subscribe, and share. It will help me so much, and I appreciate it. You have a great and wonderful day. Thank you very much.